So in this question 151, we are given the figure here and we are given the length DE is equal to IH. So D is what? D is this. Let's say if I mark it with red, this is DE is equal to IH. These two sides are given equal. We are also given this side, that is EG, right? This is EG. We are given this length EG is equal to this one, that is FI. Further, we are given these two angles are equal, which is already marked on the figure. That is this angle E is equal to angle F. And we have to prove these two triangles or figure out whether these two triangles are congruent or not. So let's first, if I shed the triangle, we have to prove this triangle being congruent to this. Right. So what you can observe that here we have one side and one angle, and the third side is not equal, but they can be proved equal. So we are given EG is equal to, EG is this, equal to FI. This is given. Now what in case if I add FG to both sides? You should know that equals when added to equals, the results are equal. So I'm adding GF on both sides. Let me first write on equal and then I'll add it. This is FI. What I'm adding is, I'm adding GF to both sides. As I told you, equals when added to equals, the results are equal. Now figure out what is this FG plus GF. FG is this and GF is this. If I add, will I get EF? One more time. This is FG and this is GF. So if I add FG to GF, we should get what? EF. So we'll write here, this is EF. On the other side, you can see that we have this, that is FI. This is FI. When added to GF, this is GF. So if I add, we'll get this thing, that is GI. We'll get this as GI. GI. Now figure out. You can say now the triangles will be congruent. Once again, I can show you why the triangles now can be said congruent. Number one, we have one side, this is equal to DH. That's given over here. This is given over here. And we have proved these two sides equal, that is, say, EF, here, right, EF is equal to GI. Further, one angle, that is angle E, is equal to angle I. So now we can say the triangles are congruent. So I should write down the other reason for here. That is, after considering the triangle, we'll say this is DE is equal to IH. And further, we have this angle E is equal to angle I. So you can see that this angle is sandwiched between the two sides, and therefore the triangles will be congruent. So if I write down the triangle DEF is congruent to triangle HIG. And the congruence condition, as you know, that the angle getting sandwiched between the two sides, or it is the included angle here. So it's congruent by side angle side.